Hello from South Punjab. I am so thrilled to be here today for the inauguration of the Kanpur Institute of Technology. This new academic institution was established by a Pakistani American who grew up here in Kanpur, then moved to the US, but wanted to give back to his original community. Today, young men and young women are able to boost their IT skills here at this institute to prepare for future jobs here in their community.
नाज़रीन इकराम, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। एक दफ़ा फिर गोल्डन ओवरसीज़ पाकिस्तानी की नई किस्त के साथ आपका मेज़बान सुहेल अब्बास हाजिर है। मैं इस वक्त मौजूद हूँ डॉक्टर मोहम्मद तारिक साहब के साथ। हमारे नाज़रीन को आप बताएं, इतना शानदार प्रोजेक्ट खानपुर में शुरू किया है, तो उसकी क्या वजह है कि आपने जो है वो पाकिस्तान के एक छोटे से जो शहर को चुना?
I am basically grown up in Kanpur. I went to high school in Kanpur, then I went to government college and then Allama Iqbal Medical College. I came to US in 1989. I've been working here as a physician, as an anesthesiologist and pain management physician. So I always still go back home. I have a deep roots. I'm connected my family back home in Pakistan and with my people. Even यहाँ पे आने के बावजूद, I never forgot my people. I seen the poverty firsthand. I still go back. I see the malnutrition in the kids. Their growth is retarded. So keeping in mind, we want to do something to improve people's lives, to improve their careers, to give them some hope. So I came up with a plan that the best way to help the Pakistan is through the education. Kanpur इसलिए हमने choose किया कि grown up in Kanpur, the South Punjab is, I feel that they are very talented people, they are very good in math, and to provide them opportunity, they have to go for good quality schools, they have to go to Karachi, they have to go to Lahore. And so trying to create some institution in a small town where they can have the quality education that is at par with the FAST University and with the NUST University.
साहब, आपने जो खानपुर में अपना इंस्टीट्यूट कायम किया है, तो उसका नाम बताइए।
उसका नाम हमने काफ़ी सोच के पिक किया है जी, खानपुर इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी। So basically, it is only institution that will give the IT education.
किस तरह की एजुकेशन आपने वहाँ पे अभी फिलहाल देना शुरू की है और आप इसको किस तरीके से जो है वो आगे लेके जा रहे हैं?
So it will offer 4 years degree in computer sciences and 4-year degrees in software engineering. Or we are affiliated with the Punjab University. Issue what we are dealing with right now is, unfortunately, Punjab University is not offering courses in cybersecurity and in artificial intelligence. So we decided to have our own charter, and inshallah, it's not going to happen overnight, but with the time we will get the recognition, just like Aga Khan University has, or some other good quality institutions have, just like the FAST. So we are planning to compete with the FAST and the NUST University and provide high quality education that will be based on scholarships and non-profit basis.
लेकिन आपने क्या इस इदारे को 501c के साथ रजिस्टर करवाया है, जो अमेरिका की रिक्वायरमेंट है? अगर
स्ट्रक्चर अभी तक हमने सेटअप किया है जी, वो यहाँ पे नॉन प्रॉफिट अमेरिका के अंदर है ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, उसका नाम है एम्पावर एजुकेशनल फाउंडेशन. So that is 501c. All the donation that donated is tax deductible. और फिर पाकिस्तान के अंदर there is a non-profit organization Green and Green. तो स्कूल के अंदर जो है, it's a non-profit school. It's for public community help, and our goal is to make it successful. To provide the education to the people who cannot go to Lahore and to Karachi from the South Punjab area.
इस वक्त बिल्डिंग का क्या साइज है और मुस्तकबिल में आपका बिल्डिंग के बारे में क्या प्लान है?
जो बिल्डिंग अभी लोकेटेड है जी, इसकी साइट जो है ये खानपुर डिस्ट्रिक्ट रीम यार खां में है. डिस्ट्रिक्ट रीम यार खां इज़ ऑन द बॉर्डर बिटवीन सिंध एंड पंजाब. So the location is very strategical in a way that it is located close to Sindh, so it can offer education to the people up to Sakhar. Then they can come from Balochistan. There's a Rajanpur on the other south side, on the north side from Khanpur. Then they can come from Punjab area. Institutions तो पाकिस्तान के अंदर बहुत हैं आईटी के. रहीम खान हैज़ अ प्रीटी डिसेंट आईटी यूनिवर्सिटी, फिर भावलपुर के अंदर भी है. लेकिन मसला ये हो रहा है कि देयर ग्रेजुएट्स, दे आर नॉट प्रोड्यूसिंग ग्रेजुएट्स दे कैन कम्पीट इंटरनेशनली. तो एक स्टडी रिसेंटली आई है कि अकॉर्डिंग टू दैम ओनली 10% पीपल हु ग्रेजुएट फ्राम द आईटी स्कूल आर employable. So उनके skills level इतना नहीं है 90% का कि they can get any gainful job. तो goal is to create something that is a very provide high standard education and produce quality graduates. They can compete international market.
जो स्टाफ आपने वहाँ चूज किया है स्टूडेंट्स को इस वक्त तालीम देगा, तो उसका क्या स्टैंडर्ड आपने रखा है?
मसला ये हो रहा है हमें अभी कि हमें क्वालिटी स्टाफ नहीं मिल रहा है वहाँ पे. जब हम प्लानिंग कर रहे थे, आई स्पोक विद सेवरल पीपल, तो एक्सपर्ट्स जो थे उन्होंने कहा कि यू नॉट गोना हैव एनी प्रॉब्लम, गो एंड सेट अप द स्कूल इन खानपुर, वी विल फाइंड द स्टाफ. लेकिन व्हेन वी इंटरव्यू द स्टाफ, आई कैन टेल यू इट वाज अ लॉन्ग प्रोसेस. वी इंटरव्यू क्लोज टू 100 पीपल. We hired staff from one PhD, Dr. Imran Khan from Islamabad, Dr. Saad Rahman, he is a PhD from Sialkot. So we're starting, if we're going to produce a standards, very high quality educational institution, we got to have a high quality staff. तो उसके लिए हमें कुछ issue आ रहे हैं, especially they don't want to move in a small town with their families, they have issues about the kids' education. But we're working on that one, and we provide them residential quarters within the institution. So that is helping us provide very competitive salaries. The salaries they can get it probably in the Middle East. We're providing the same kind of salaries. So that is helping us also to attract more quality staff.
पाकिस्तान की ज़्यादातर जो इंस्टीट्यूशन की डिग्री एक्सेप्ट नहीं की जाती, तो उस सिलसिले में आपने क्या प्लान किया है कि आप इतनी मेहनत कर रहे हैं, इतना सरमाया लगा रहे हैं, बच्चे भी इतनी मेहनत करेंगे, उनकी डिग्री को एक्सेप्ट किया जाए?
I think that's a very good question. तो जब हम यूनिवर्सिटी के साथ एफिलिएशन का सोच रहे थे, तो we were thinking the options we have is to have the affiliation with the Bahawalpur University या with the Rahim Yar Khan University. We picked Punjab University in a way. The Punjab University is very well recognized, and if they have the degree awarded by Punjab University, they can get job anywhere in the world because their students are present all over the world.
अगले 5 सालों में ये लॉन्ग टर्म प्लान आपका क्या है आपके इंस्टीट्यूशन के बारे में?
देखें जी, अभी तो हमने जो इंस्टीट्यूशन है दैट इज in the vicinity of Khanpur. It's on 15 acres. The building size is about 150,000 square feet. So उसके अंदर 60,000 square feet current campus है. We are in the process of building 2 hostels, girls hostel and boys hostel. We are planning to build those one before September, so next year. मसला ये हो रहा है कि खानपुर is a small town. It does not have enough student population to fill up the school. So we're trying to attract the school from all over the Pakistan. जब हमने school शुरू किया था तो a lot of people told me don't take responsibility of the kids. Don't put any hostels. But during this journey we learned that we got to have a hostels to provide the standard to accommodations. So that's the only way we can attract good, smart kids. It is listed on our website. The kids who apply, they have a 80% plus scores. Their education is free between 70 to 80%. They pay only 50% of the fee. And the first year we have 60 students enrolled. 30 students computer sciences के अंदर हैं और 30 students उसके अंदर सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियरिंग के हैं. तो उसमें से 30% फीमेल स्टूडेंट्स हैं और 30% मेल स्टूडेंट्स हैं. तो गोल ये है कि फीमेल स्टूडेंट को एजुकेट किया जाए, वो घर में बैठ के फ्रीलांसिंग कर सकें एंड हैव द गेनफुल जॉब. That will change their lifestyle and change the whole family.
इंशाअल्लाह ताला हमारी छोटी सी कोशिश है कि हम आपका ये पैगाम पूरी दुनिया तक पहुंचाएं, अपनी तरफ पूरी कोशिश करेंगे. तो आप नॉर्थ अमेरिका और दीगर पूरी दुनिया में जहाँ भी आपका पैगाम जा रहा है, उनसे कम्युनिटी की क्या सपोर्ट आपको कर सकते हैं कि जिससे आपको आसानियाँ पैदा हों?
This is not my program. This is community service. I believe in helping the other people. I decided to start this project with the funding, initially my own. Then I will take it to the community and they can help me. They can help me different ways. They can provide their time, they can provide their funding, they can, if there's a professor who they can provide with their expertise, with the affiliation, they can provide with the kids with the social skills. We need people who can teach them English language, teach them social skills so they can know how to communicate, to uplift their personalities. So that's what the basic goal is.
तो सब घर में ये भी बेहतरीन है कि कोई आपको ट्रांसपोर्ट बसों के लिए बच्चों के लिए ट्रांसपोर्ट प्रोवाइड करे.
जी, we will accept any help we can talk. They can reach out local administration खानपुर, प्रोफेसर साद रहमान है वहाँ पे खानपुर के अंदर. We can provide the contact number for Professor Saad Rahman or Umar Naseem hai. He's taking the lead in management. They can reach out to Umar. He will be the right person. Or if they are in North America, they can reach out to me. I can provide my cell phone, my email address. So please contact us to help to build this quality institution. आप जब पाकिस्तान जाएंगे तो you will see most of the kids, they are from low socio-economic background. They are not very well off, but that is face of KIT. That's the community, that is the segment of the population we're trying to serve. We're trying to serve the people and take care of the people who does not have the financial resources to help themselves, to bring them up, but they are very smart kids. Their scores are 70, 80, 90% in the FSCs, but they cannot continue their education. So that's the segment we're trying to help.
आपने कोई खास प्लान रखा है बच्चियों के लिए, क्योंकि आपको पता है कि बच्चियों की तालीम जो है पाकिस्तान में बहुत ज़रूरी है.
बच्चियों के बारे में जी, the good thing about IT education is they don't have to go out in the workforce. They can start their business at home. They can do the freelancing. They can do a lot of work sitting at home remotely.
माज़ूरों के लिए कोटा आपने मुख्तस किया है, अगर मासूम जो खुदा ना जिस्मानी तौर
Or definitely, we give them a priority. We see there on different humanitarian basis. If there is a family breakdown, there is a parents की death हो गई, father का gainful job नहीं है, got laid off from the job. So we help them individual basis. Final message ये है जी, तो we're trying to create something very high standard education in South Punjab. We will educate female students, girls. They can sit home and do the freelancing. They don't have to migrate out of Pakistan. You guys can help this KIT school. If you want to build something similar lines in your part of the world, you want to sponsor something in your city, I'll be happy to help with all the things we have learned during this journey. So it's a learning process, and every day we're learning something new. So I'll be happy to help if then you guys need any help to set up a school or any institution in your town or in your part of the world.
मैं इस वक्त आपसे इजाज़त चाहूँगा डैलस टेक्सास से. इंशाल्लाह आपको लेके जाऊँगा मैं खानपुर इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी में. खुद जाकर वहाँ पर आपको हर चीज़ के बारे में बताऊँगा और वहाँ पर जो कुछ इस वक्त तकरीबन जो कुछ हो चुका है वो आप देखेंगे और इंशाल्लाह ताला मुस्तक़बिल में भी जो है वो मैं आपको काय बकाया खानपुर इंस्टीट्यूट के बारे में बताता रहूँगा. अपने मेज़बान सुहेल अब्बास को इजाज़त दीजिए. बहुत शुक्रिया.